they are thinking a two thing only, which is what the people will judge or fear to speak in front of a people.
You always say that you want to become something like IS officer, teacher, judge, lawyer, but any like more things. But why you guys cannot become? Because lack of initiation. Because you have a fear that people gonna judge you. You are not able to crack the exam.
But what you don't know that you have to initiate and you have to speak on that topic by feeling that topic first.
Guys, I have a question for you all. Why kids are much initiative as compared to adults?
Hi, Neat. Guys, good to see you all right there after so long. In today's session, we are going to go with group discussion. How exactly we are going to change our life and how initiation going to play a vital role in one's life sitting right there. So I simply want each one of you to be placing your opinion one by one, and here we go.
Word is initiation. Initiation will mean that when you are speaking or when you take a chance from a group or from a crowd to going in front of it and speaking gets called an initiation. But many of the people is not doing, can't do initiate because they are thinking a two thing only, which is what the people will judge or fear to speak in front of a people. It means that you can't speak in front of a people because you think that what people will think, that's from that only you are not improved because you have a chain in your crowd or in your audience, not yours.
It's not about to showing yourself in a best possible way. It's all about to just starting yourself or initiating. How less initiation holding us back? It holding us in every aspect. If after certain of period you are starting degrading yourself and even you are not starting, even you are feeling nervous in every aspect. So try to be more initiate and try to be more confident. Doesn't matter you have knowledge or not. If you have something, start with the small gestures only, but at least start. So at least you have a that much confidence and you can develop also. And even if you don't have that much confidence, so you should improve that by initiation only. That's it.
The lack of initiation. You always say that you want to become something like IS officer, teacher, judge, lawyer, but any like more things. But why you guys cannot become? Because lack of initiation. Because you have a fear that people gonna judge you. You are not able to crack the exam. But this is really is it really matter? Obviously no. All it matters, all it requires your initiation. Once you're gonna initiate, you're gonna understand, you're gonna learn new things. That is why it is rightly said that the miracle you are looking for it is in the work you are avoiding.
Okay, so according to me, what is it, why initiation holding us back? Because we always think that whenever we are going to perform, so we'll go after her, after him, or after everyone, because we invest that time in thinking for the valid points that we can add in our presentation or we can speak about. But the thing you don't know that whenever we do this thing, so time runs out and we just end up taking the chance on other day. But what you don't know that you have to initiate and you have to speak on that topic by feeling that topic first, so that will come naturally out of you. That is the power of initiation, which doesn't let you hold your points back and which doesn't let you just low down.
Guys, I have a question for you all. Why kids are much initiative as compared to adults?
Adults have a fear of judgment, but kids does not have. And you have to being yourself, be Vishram. Because when you don't have a fear of judgment, then you will not think about that person is that person will think about me. And then you will definitely initiate in every place. And it's not only about the place where you want to the place where you you don't want to be. If you want to place your opinion, then you will definitely place your opinion in every aspects or every time.
Comfort zone, failure, judgmental mind, and these are the aspects where we show that the person feel very negative to speaking someone less initiative. It's happened because we are adult and we are carrying a mindset. If we did any mistake, people will judge me. Example, Akash will give an example. We are organized fun activity. In that point of time, no one will start initiation except me also. I'm refusing that. I will not sing the song because that is my comfort zone, and that comfort zone tell me if I sing that song, I will sing very poor, and people laugh. This is the reason behind it. If I will tell you example, kids are too much naughty. If we will set kids to do this, they can easily do because they don't have judgmental mind. They don't have a comfort zone. They never understand what is a real world. The world which they follow is known as you can enjoy mind. Enjoy mind is always give you confidence. You boost your critical thinking and so many things.
Kids are very curious to know everything, and that's the reason kids ask more questions than the adult. Kids do not know about anything that what they are asking, but the same, if I'll ask the same question with the people, adult people, so then definitely they have a mindset about it, and they know that if I will speak in front of one, maybe they will judge us, or the answer that they are having in their mind may be wrong or maybe right. This make them feel conscious about them, that this will going to make for like this thing will definitely make them feel judged by others. That's why they lack in initiation.
Well, what I think, I agree with Sonamdi's statement that adults are more knowledgeable and they do not have the curiosity to know everything, whereas children have more curiosity to know about new things. But what I actually think it is not the correct answer or the correct reason behind it, because maybe a children and an adult can have nearly not so many variation between their knowledge, but the variation or the thing which a adult must know, which a children doesn't know at any cost, is that they are being judged. I do not think like there is any barrier of knowledge between them. The real barrier is that the adult knows that everyone will judge him, even though that adult itself will judge himself or herself, but the children will never. So what I think is the statement which Sonamdi placed is partially correct according to my point of view.
A question was raised that why kids are more initiative than the adults. That we all know that adults are often stuck and led by the human validation for others' validation. Because somehow, on the other hand side, where the kids don't have that kind of particular space in particular things in their mind, because they always feel happy, they always enjoy the things. But in that time, the adults have the hustle to chase their upcoming materialistic life. But on the other hand side, where the kids are not that much, we can say considered. They're the upcoming generation and the upcoming challenges in their life, because kids don't have that kind of particular space and a particular thinking in their mind. That's why they always feel happy and enjoy their own movement. But on the other hand side, on the second hand, where the human always chasing a life in every particular reason they try to find a particular solution for their upcoming challenges.
You people say that people would judge us, but you don't know that they are judging us or they are not. Whatever you want to do, just do. If you have seen in the marriages, people dance. They dance openly. No one judges them and they enjoy at that time. It same happens. You just feel with yourself that they would judge, that she would judge, he would judge, but nothing happens. No one judges you. You do whatever you want. It is same, like if kids, you all said they are naughty, they do such things, and people enjoy with them that yeah, they are doing some foolish things and it looks cute. But if you do whatever you want, if you want to dance, just do dance. If you want to sing, just sing. No one would say you anything. You have seen multiples of video on YouTube, internet, and some other platform that people sings in metro, sings other place, dance in other place. No one judges them. They enjoy them. So don't care about others. Just enjoy your life, because life that you got once, you don't know that when you would die. So just enjoy your life.
As we have reached the conclusion of today's topic, so at the end, I would like to say one thing, that do not let your lion die, let it roar. And it is said by our Harry Bhaiya as well. So I want you all to initiate first, to come up first with new thoughts, with new ideas, and keep motivating yourself, keep growing. Thank you.